Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing very well. I'm so excited today. I'm finally going to work in my volume 11 journal again. I started this a long time ago, back in February, so it's just a junk journal that I handmade with a whole bunch of random papers and things that I got, like invoices, things I got in the mail, plastic packaging, anything I could try to find to recycle. And then I just made it into a book and cut it down to my normal size. I love these kinds of journals. They get so thick and wide and fun. I just love them so much. So yeah, so I have a video for the first couple pages that I did in this journal, but I haven't filmed any of the other pages, so I thought I would get back into this one since I'm so far behind. I have so many journals to catch up on. You guys have no idea. But anyway, so for the first couple pages, like normal, I always color the backgrounds with acrylic paint, and my neons are my most favorite. Everyone knows that, I think. And then just a ton of journaling in this book. So this journal is more of a daily journal, so I don't plan like matching on anything. So whereas my memory journal, I try to match it more, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure. But yeah, so for these photos, I found I have this really nice little app on my phone, and I just made a bunch of grids. I think they're called grids, yeah, photo grid. And then I just printed them at home on this really nice thick paper. It's so much thicker, or so much thinner than my photos when I developed them. So I'm trying to avoid that and just printing on the ones that I want to journal about. And for daily journals, it's so much easier. You just take the picture of the day and then you can just journal about it. But I love the thinness of these photos. So yeah, I just got those new cactus stamps and I love them so much. So I thought they would be perfect for this journal since it's all about Mexico. And then again, for the next page, just gonna paint the background. I can't really journal with a plain background. You gotta have some color. So I always paint the background or spray it or add some sort of color to the background. And then just use my heat gun to dry it faster. And then I thought the last page could use a little bit more. So I just added another cactus sticker, which is so cute. And then I love those stamps, the day stamps and the number stamps. I found that like years ago at a dollar store, and I had to cut them up myself, and they don't stick very well, but they look awesome. And the font is just perfect for journaling. So, and then for that sugar skull, which is actually Frida, it's a Frida sugar skull. I found those pictures a long time ago on somewhere on the internet, maybe Google or maybe Pinterest or something. And then I just screenshot them and I printed them, and they look so good in journals too. So I thought I would just add it in there. It looks so nice. And then a ton of journaling, more stamping, and I think my ink pad is drying up a little bit. The ballpoint pen that I'm using is actually the thickest nib that I have. It's a 1.6, and I think it's my last one that I have, so I have to try to find some more of that size because it's so fun to journal with them. I love the thickness of them. And then for the last page, I thought I would do a sunset for where we live. That's actually the front yard that you're looking at our house there. And every night and every morning, the skies are so pretty. Oh, I took so many photos of the skies, but I just chose one that I thought was the best one for that one. And it's so pretty. I love it so much. And then just stickers that I also found at the dollar store, Dollarama actually, a long time ago. They still have them. I checked yesterday or the day before if you guys want to get some too. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this journal video. Super simple. Daily journaling is a little bit easier and more journaling than the memory journals, but here is the flip through. So I hope you guys got a little bit of ideas for your journals as well. It doesn't always have to have fun photos or stickers or anything. There's a ton of journaling in this video, or in this journal, so definitely recommend writing. That's what it's all about. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys all next Friday for a brand new Journal with Me video. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.